Here's something you don't hear often from a real estate agent. Some homes just shouldn't be listed. I'm talking about properties that need major repairs or ones where the seller simply just doesn't want to deal with the hassle. Maybe you inherited a home and you don't want to pour money into it. Maybe you're going through a divorce or a life change and you need to move fast. Maybe the tenants just moved out and you're not looking to renovate. In those situations, listing your house on the MLS might not just be a headache, it could actually cost you time and money. That's where off-market options come in. I work with sellers who want privacy, speed, and flexibility. I either buy the property myself or connect you to serious cash buyers who are ready to close quickly. No showings, no repairs, no cleaning, just a real conversation and a clear path forward. You stay in control of the timeline and you don't have to perform for buyers. I've helped people sell homes that wouldn't make sense on a traditional market and walked away with peace of mind. So if you're thinking about selling your house and don't want the listing hassle, send me a DM with the word options. That's options. Or call me at 470-231-6539 if you want to explore a private, no hassle way to sell your house. We can go over options to get your home sold. I'll break down what's possible and help you decide if off market is the right move. Even if you still want to list your house, I can help you find a good real estate agent in your local area. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more real estate advice and make sure you're hitting that notification bell so you'll know the next time I put out a new video. And if you really want to know why I stopped listing houses, watch this video right here.